What if patients' prescription ordering and waiting process is reduced by 90%? Speeding up the prescription preparation, storage and retrieval, and above all minimizing the medication errors by 90%, together give a great customer experience. Yes, we are making the pharmacy prescription delivery system simpler, quicker and more efficient. Introducing Glitz Light Stick, a low-cost and easily adoptable pharmacy wireless will call system. Uniquely mapped with a prescription, and equipped with multi-color LED lights, the Glitz Light Stick helps retrieve the prescription packages quickly, and the correct prescription is delivered to the correct patient. The patient prescription, medicines, and the mapped Glitz Light Stick are placed in transparent bags and stored on the shelf. When a patient requests for the prescription package, the pharmacy staff uses the pharmacy management system to communicate with the Glitz Light Stick, using the unique prescription ID mapped to the package. This triggers the LED and it lights up instantly. This helps the pharma staff to identify the bag accurately and instantly delivering it to the customer, thereby eliminating medical errors and reducing customer wait time drastically. No new bags and no alphabetization are required. Additionally, featuring the return to stock time and automated expiry detection, all at the click of a button in the software. For a hassle-free retrieval and quick pharmacy prescription delivery system, get on with Glitz Pharmacy Wireless will call.